Hey everyone, the Mechanic Man here. Today I have a new toolbox tour. Up top we have all my battery chargers and lights. I have all different kinds of lights, some that are magnetic, some that use the DeWalt battery, just all different kinds. I have a Craftsman multi-tool right there. Top drawer, organized it. I have nut drivers, I have the metric on the bottom, Sae on the top. Then I have some of these grip-tight screwdrivers from Craftsman, Phillips and flat, an old Craftsman screwdriver, a little bit driver back there, and the Matco ratcheting bit driver. In this drawer, I have a lot of my pliers and vice grips. Brand is vice grip. All different kinds. Small, big. Next drawer, I have just additional pliers. All those are Harbor Freight right there. These ones are just no-name brand. I forget where I got them. And then I have a Husky tool right here. You can adjust the size that you need. Goes from 3/16 to 1932. This side, 1932 to 1 1/16. And 5 to 15 millimeters and 15 to 27 millimeters. A lot of ratchets in here. I have mostly Harbor Freight. If you watch my other video, I think it says like tools and money. It explains why I have mostly Harbor Freight tools. The long flex head 1/2 inch, regular flex head 1/2 inch right here, the long 3/8 right here, and short 3/8 or regular 3/8 flex right here, the regular 3/8 composite 3/8 composite 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch flex head. I have these two. I have a spinner right here. This one is 3/8, and this one's 1/4 inch. And I have a Craftsman 1/2 inch, Harbor Freight extendable 1/2 inch. Just slide on this, and then it extends. I have a weird Craftsman one. I think it's the Mach series. Rotate that and then extends with a rotating head. And I have, I'll put that up there. The pass-through ratchet right here. 3/8 right here for Craftsman. Then a stubby ratchet from Husky, which is 1/4 inch and 3/8. And the same extendable one, but this one's 3/8 and 1/4 inch. And I have a stubby 3/8 Craftsman 1/4 inch, stubby 1/4 inch from Craftsman or from Harbor Freight, and a Sonix flex head 1/4 inch. This drawer, I have all my body tools. I have my panel clip removers, snap-on panel pin removers, long, small, and this one's a wider one. I also have cheap Harbor Freight ones. That way I can just use these if I need to bend one to like an odd position. I can just have it because I have a lot of Harbor Freight ones. I also have some Harbor Freight pry bars. I have long ones, small ones, panel pin removers. I showed this with my Harbor Freight haul. These are awesome. So good at removing those stupid panel pin clips that are just a pain in the ass to take off. And then I have these ones for more of like the Christmas tree. These ones just pull it and then just pops right out. Awesome to have. In a smaller drawer, I I have all of my drill bits, just bits for my screwdrivers. These are Matco. Comes with a little ratchet right there. Roll-out discs, wire wheels. I have just the different wrenches for my air tools, air hammer fittings, drill bits. This cool little set from Harbor Freight of the security bit sets, every single one that you would need. So here is more drill bits. This is regular bits. Over here is just different air fittings. Chuck key, so you can attach it to the air tool and then have it be more free. It's a U-joint. This drawer is my spray gun accessory drawer. There's empty cleaner for the spray gun, DeVilbiss. An air gun cleaning kit, 2 DeVilbiss fluid tips, 1.3 and a 1.5, regulator, and a small little kit with lube and a filter in it. Here's my DeVilbiss GTA spray gun. This thing is awesome. I love it so much. I have the DeVilbiss D-cup attachment for disposable cups, and it came with an aluminum cup, but I hate cleaning these out, so I just use the disposable cups. Bigger drawer, I have my Craftsman, I think it's the Evo or Evolve, one of those, I forget which one, 1/2-inch impact sockets, metric, standard. And you get 3/8, so, but at a later time. All my impact and cordless tools have a, what was it, Harbor Freight air drill, just got that the other day. Craftsman C3 1/2-inch cordless impact, did a review on that, awesome. Ingersoll Rand angled die grinder, DeWalt 20 volt max drill driver, DeWalt 20 volt max driver. Up there is the flashlight, did a review on all those. My Ingersoll Rand air hammer, my Matco DA, been using the hell out of this in school. Been doing a front bumper repair on my car right there. I decided I did not want the license plate bracket, so I'm just working on that right now. I took it off and now I'm just fixing it. Craftsman impact driver, Craftsman 3/8 air ratchet, small Craftsman drill, Craftsman 1/2-inch impact. This one, more organized. I have my Craftsman 1/2-inch digital clicker type torque wrench. So my Harbor Freight 3/8 and 1/4-inch torque wrench. Eventually I'm gonna upgrade those. In my Tools and Money video I explain what I'm doing. I have a slide hammer from Harbor Freight. Let's see. It's small and I guess it does the job. Haven't used that yet. And a Harbor Freight impact driver. I think I might upgrade to a better one. And tap and die set, really crappy. Haven't used it, just doesn't look like it would be really good quality. Probably upgrade that soon. This drawer is my hammer drawer. I have three 3-pound, 4-pound, and 2-pound deadbolt hammers, my body hammers in the back, ball peen hammers, regular hammer, dolly, plastic hammer, rubber mallet. Still got some more hammers that I need to get. This bottom drawer is an electric drawer, digital voltmeter, scan tool, battery tester, bolt cutters, wire brush, battery terminal cleaner, scissors, windshield tool, one of those picker-upper tools with a light on it, a rivet gun. Now into my smaller box, magnetic trays, love them. Have more right over here. These two are for getting aftermarket radios out of the car. This is a pick, screws onto my Matco one. Just different pieces for my cordless tools and drills right here. Razor blade. My 1/2 inch, 3/8, 1/4 inch sockets, all different brands. Just bought them cheap. Eventually I'll upgrade, but I don't have the need right now or the money. Over here I have extensions, 1/4 inch, 3/8, 1/2 inch. I have a 3/8, 1/2 inch breaker bar from Harbor Freight. Over here is my pass-through sockets. This one is metric. These ones are SAE. These are just a set that I got from my uncle after he passed away. I went through his tools. Over here is Sae spline sockets that came with the Sae Ratchet, and I got it for free. I entered a contest and I won. Giant socket that I got for free from Amazon. They messed up. They sent me the wrong socket, so I kept that one. And also spark plug sockets. 2 giant screwdrivers, Phillips flathead, impact stretching on it, and some more extensions. A long lady slipper. I believe the smaller ones were in this one. I'm not sure. Forgot if they were in there or not. And all my little extension, or all my additional sockets, specialty sockets, Torx, Torx Plus, inverted Torx, Allen, both metric, metric and standard, all of my adapters. This drawer is picks, punches, chisels, tubing cutter, magnets, and an expansion mirror. This little magnet is awesome. Got it from Craftsman. It's the best. I think it was like only $2 too, so that was pretty awesome. Stay. One thing I don't like about these is that they just keep rolling in. My Sae ratchets or wrenches, they're just regular. Most of them are, actually half of these are Craftsman, the other half are Pittsburgh, and then there's a Tecton right here. And then my larger ones are up here. Those are assorted sizes. These are my stubby. These are all Pittsburgh except for that one. That one's power built. Battery wrench. These ones are my ratcheting flex head. Those are Pittsburgh. Go from 3/8 all the way up to 5/8. Then I have Husky, just regular ratcheting. I think those are the same 3/8 to 11/15. Those are my Allen key. There's another one, and 2 more larger wrenches. And my 1/2 inch let's see. Yeah, same thing with here. Mostly Craftsman, Pittsburgh, just ram teched in. My larger ones all the way in the back. Allen key, another Allen key set. 10 millimeter battery wrench. Pittsburgh, ratcheting flex head ratchets. Husky, ratcheting wrenches. Pittsburgh stubby. And Sonex stubby right there. 2 jack stands, battery starter, just an empty toolbox back there. My new tool cart, this thing is freaking awesome. I love it. Love just being able to put everything that I need on that, bring it right to the job instead of just walking back and forth to the toolbox. Have all my little parts bins of different stuff like washers, just random bolts, nails, all kinds of stuff, screws, nice little mat. So shop vac, you always have to have one. A stool that also goes into a creeper. Just all my accessories that I need, shop towel, sanding block, paint mixing tray, I guess. Bumper cover, you put this on the bumper or on the fender. Yeah, fender cover. Got my impact gloves, paint suit, paint mixing cups, lots and lots of tape, glue gun sticks, glue gun, acid brushes, markers, pens, Sharpies. Well, I guess Sharpies are markers. A lot of nitro gloves, more tape back there. Different sandpapers. This is just for when I was working on a bench that I was making. So that's just for wood. All my cleaning supplies, buffer, and yeah. Hope you guys like my new toolbox store. I know I do a lot of these, but it's fun making these videos. And when I have a lot more tools, I just decide to just make a new video. So please hit the thumbs up button. Not the thumbs down, but the thumbs up. Thumbs up, subscribe, share. Follow me on Facebook, facebook.com/themechanicman92. I'll put a link in the description. And have a good day, everyone. See you.